This video will show you how to replace the hydraulic filter on National's ride-on scrapers. Turn off the gas on the propane tank and remove the hose from the tank. Unlatch the tank and remove the tank from the machine. Remove the thumb screws that hold the hood in place. Lift the hood while routing the propane hose through the hole. Place paper towels or shop rags around and underneath the filter to catch oil. Use a filter wrench or your hands to loosen and remove the filter. Apply a thin film of oil to the seal on the new filter. Attach the new filter and tighten. Remove the shop rags or paper towels and wipe up any oil. Close the hood while routing the propane hose through the hood. Unscrew the hood thumb screws. Install the propane tank. Attach the hose to the propane tank and turn on the tank. Start the machine and run it for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and check for leaks. Place paper towels or shop rags underneath the filter. Loosen the filter guard and move it to the side. Using your hands or filter wrench, remove the filter. Wipe up any fluid that drips from the filter after you remove it. Apply a thin film of fluid to the filter gasket. Tighten the filter onto the machine. Reposition the filter guard and tighten. Start the machine and run it to verify there are no leaks.